The fastest jerk chicken in the world.
Oi, hello sir, pull over. Pull over. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What is this? What is this right here, sir? Bars up, brakes. Brakes the 1 second as you go round. We need to know what is going on right here. What is jerk chicken? Me blow. Wait him. Oh, you run out of gas. How? Man, oh snap. So this license line is rotted. We had to pump up again. It's joke. No, we're not better than Jamaica. No, I don't business and nobody wants to say. Anybody when I want to work and make money, they fit. Like me, I tell you, if you dead for hungry now. Jesus Christ. So what I over there? So security camera on it. If nobody not thief out the chicken. What that? Hold on, man, wait there. Security camera that. Post not. Say no, say foul them under heavy surveillance. Speed!